Hey folks, lots of clouds across the valley today, and we're going to see more of those the next couple of days before we get back to any sunshine to speak of. That'll probably happen late Saturday. These are the currents, upper 60s valley-wide, Port Isabel 67, Brownsville 69, same thing in McAllen at this hour. Overnight tonight doesn't cool off much, low 60s, that's about it. 67 at the beach, and then tomorrow back into the upper 70s in the west and low 70s along the coast. East-southeasterly winds about 12 to 22. But clouds are going to be thick tomorrow. There could be a brief shower, but I think the big story will be the better chance of rain from here northward as we get into Friday. Temperature-wise, the normal now, the average for this time of year is 74. We should be just a little above that tomorrow and Friday. Then we dip below it on Saturday and probably continue to go down after the cool front goes through. We'll have our high temperature probably first thing in the morning. Cloud cover has been thick over the area today and no real signs of any breaks so far, nor do we expect any tonight or tomorrow. Look at Future Track and it says it's just overcast tomorrow. Could be a splotch of green from time to time, but I think tomorrow is a mainly dry day, maybe a 20% chance for a brief shower tomorrow, spotty stuff. Friday though, everything changes. Everything starts to come together for a major rain event north of us. We're going to be on the edge of this major rain event. That means we could see some showers or thunder showers, but the big stuff should stay up over the middle part of Texas. But even here, Friday afternoon, this is lunchtime, showers, maybe a thunderstorm sneaking through. May go quiet for a time Friday evening, but then the front itself comes through early Saturday morning, and that could come with a shower or a thunderstorm. We've got to watch for the potential for strong storms with this front early in the morning on Saturday. Once the front gets through, then we should begin the drying process, and by late Saturday, some thinning of the clouds, and certainly by Sunday, we get back into some sunshine. Our rain chances go from 20% tomorrow to 50% Friday, and really it starts tomorrow night and goes into Friday night and tapers off on Saturday. Here's the bigger picture across Texas, and right now, no major fronts on the move. It's in the 40s in the north, 50s in the middle, and 60s in the south, so not all that out of character just yet. But things will change. Clouds already beginning to thicken up across the state in response to a big upper air low sitting off the west coast of the U.S. That upper level low is going to make its way toward Texas as this cold front comes southward, and that combination gives us a really good chance for rain in the middle part of Texas. Friday in particular, look at the thunderstorms firing up in the coastal bend Friday afternoon. But really from here all the way up to Dallas, showers and storms, some snow and ice possible in the panhandle. The big upper air low is not even here yet. What it's doing is taking Pacific moisture and lifting it up and over this cooler air coming down from the north, and a lot of warm and humid air feeding up from the south. So it's that combination that could create, again, a big-time rain event, especially in the middle part of Texas. Now, by Saturday, surface low forms, it starts to move away, the rain starts to move away, snow lingers in the panhandle, but by Sunday, it should begin to move out, and we'll get some cooler weather in here, and we'll start to dry things out. But it's going to take all weekend for that to happen. Here's how much rain this model is projecting, and take a look as we go into Friday, Saturday, and even into Sunday, up to 3 to 5 inches in the middle part of the state, probably less than an inch here. Again, we're on the south edge of this looking northward. For a little better idea of this stuff up here, the heaviest rain basically from just south of San Antonio up the I-35 corridor to Austin and Waco over toward Houston, although the heaviest rain may be a little bit north of Houston, but these shades out here, that's off the chart at 5 inches plus. So there could be some significant rain across parts of Texas between really late tomorrow and early in the day on Saturday. So if you have travel plans up into the middle of the state, keep that in mind. There may be some delays, could be some flooding problems, and perhaps some strong storms as well. In the morning, San Antonio is 52, Houston's 49, Dallas is 47. By afternoon, we warm to the 70s, 60s in the middle part of the state, 50s in the north, and only 37 tomorrow afternoon in Amarillo. So at the coast, here's what we expect. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 20, moderate chop, moderate UV, no advisories, moderate risk of rip currents there where your tides. So for tonight, cloudy and mild, low of 62, southeast winds. Tomorrow back to 77. A lot of clouds, an isolated shower. Tomorrow your chance of rain stands only about 20%. That will go up though for Friday up to about 50%. Tapers off, and by late Saturday, maybe some sunshine. Then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, some sunshine. But look how temperatures drop. Low 60s for highs and 40s for lows for the early part of next week. That is your updated First Alert 5 forecast.